Hi everybody, it's Michael Tiny Saul. Today is Sunday, April 17th at 7:28 p.m. and this is Forex analysis for Monday, April 18th, 2011. Let's start with the euro. Euro in a nice consolidation here. We expected this last week after the expansion at the end of the week before. So we're going to watch this one to see if it breaks one way or the other. And on the downside, we have the midline as the first target. On the upside, we have this upper Keltner line. So it can come pretty quick. And watch this for fake outs. Watch this for a move that breaks and then comes back or vice versa. You know, whatever way it breaks, it has to be managed on the 60-minute or the 120-minute chart. Don't try to manage it on the short-term chart, but try to manage it on a smaller time frame than the daily. Okay, and if it gets extension and the stops are moved, then you can go back to a daily to manage it. But on a first break and seeing what it's doing the first hour or so after the break, manage it on a smaller time frame. Okay, here's the Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar looks like it is headed for a retest of these highs, but what it does there, that's the real question. It may double top, it may want to break and put in a little higher high on the upper Keltner channel line. So watch this one here. It's the Aussie. Here's the yen. Okay, the yen tested the midline. Now we want to see if the bulls are going to come back for it. If not, and it continues to fall lower, here's the 38% retracement, 82.03. So watch that one on the downside. Then you have the lower Keltner channel line, of course, to watch. Here's the dollar Swiss, just a beaut. Okay, stop should be real tight on this one, locking in a real nice gain, looking at that lower Keltner for a potential exit point. Well, actually, for an exit point. I don't want to use the word potential. The lower Keltner is the exit point for this trade based on the management that we've been doing on these videos. Here's the Looney. Got a bounce off the lower Keltner. Now it's just kind of meandering around. I don't see a setup. Euro pound, watching the midline for potential support. Euro Swiss broke the midline. If it continues down past last week's lows, watch the lower Keltner for a target. Euro Aussie broke to the upside. It was a fake out. Maybe it's a fake out, make out kind of move, which is it breaks one way, then goes the other. So if it breaks these lows, watch the lower Keltner as a first target. Okay, Euro New Zealand, Euro Kiwi broke the lower Keltner on Friday, right back above it here in early Monday's trading. Don't see a real pattern here, so going to watch that one a little bit. Here's the cable. Cable is in a consolidation here. Friday was an inside candle. Actually, I have to move the lines up a little bit here. So watching to see if it can break out here. If it can, okay, may get a nice little roofer move here and see if it can tag this upper Keltner channel line. So watch the pound here. Okay, if it breaks, use the other side of this little coil as the potential stop here. Here's the pound Kiwi. Okay, just continuing to ride this lower Keltner channel line down. Like I said, poked out of it Friday, but right back in it early Monday here at 7:30, but 7:30 at night on Sunday. But I don't see a setup here, so I want to pass on that. Here's the Euro Yen. Watch the middle Keltner channel line for potential support. Here's the Swiss Yen. Okay, nice consolidation here. See if it breaks one way or the other, but it's extended, so may offer an opportunity for the downside. Maybe a retest of this middle Keltner line. Here's the Aussie Yen. Aussie Yen has a nice looking coil here. Here's a 120-minute chart. So this one is ready to move. Watch for a break. Either way, use a stop on the other side of the break. Downside first target is the middle of the Keltner channel. The upside first target is the upper Keltner channel line. So the Aussie Yen definitely in play here. Here's the pound yen. Watch the midline of the Keltner channel for first support if it decides to get there. Here's pound Swiss. Pound Swiss, nice consolidation here. Okay, here it is on the 120-minute chart. Looks to me like it wants to go lower. Definitely has impulsive characteristics to the downside. If it does, watch for a retest of these lows down here at 1.4322. Okay, so watch that one. Watch the pound Swiss. Here's Aussie Swiss. Could be a little bear flag, but there's no impulse. So this is really just a consolidation. It's not really a flag. But watch it. Could break either way. Could offer an opportunity for a trade. Here's Kiwi Swiss. I don't see much. Here's Looney Swiss, also in a consolidation. All right. Let's draw some lines in here. I mean, it could be a triangle here, so watch this one too. And here's the Kiwi Looney cross, and you can see here this nice pattern led to a breakout. So far, we've been running up the outside of this upper Keltner line, but it looks like we're going to pull back in here. So that's it. That's what I got for Forex for Monday. Couple actionable pairs and crosses to watch. I will do the next update tomorrow. Have a great trading day on Monday.